At our house, we've had trouble with packages being delivered to the back door instead of the front door. So I went onto Amazon and purchased this sign, which I thought was a great idea. So here's me opening up the box. The packaging says "Do not bend," and it was not bent whatsoever. So I was very pleased about that. Please deliver all packages to the back door. Here's the items that I used. I used one 6-foot T-post, one T-post bracket with 2 screws and 2 nuts. I did have to drill 2 holes into the sign for the T-post bracket to fit. I figured it out which drill bit to use, and then as I was drilling my holes, I used a piece of wood underneath the sign, and it made a perfect hole. A driver for the T-post that was 12 pounds, and then here's me putting the T-post and the driver and pounding it into the ground. I would like to thank my wife for videoing me putting the post into the ground. Thank you, honey. Now for the next project. Please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment down below. I always like reading people's comments.